welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply an e-tourist visa to India for 1 year step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have made this video before also, but what's the reason I'm making it now, and that too in this step-by-step screenshot format? Because this time I'm going to show you the payment procedures too. So, and this one was taken from a real application, and that is why some areas are going to be blackened out. All right, guys. So this website, you can see indianvisaonline.gov.in e-visa. Okay. Now in this same page, if you scroll slightly down, you're going to see this link, apply here for a visa. Okay. Apply here for a visa. So this link you're going to click, and then this is gonna open. Okay, so of course your nationality, passport type, port of arrival, date of birth, email ID, visa service, expected date of arrival, these things you need to put. So the moment you put Canada on these three fields, this link, the visa service opens, and we selected e-tourist visa for 1 year. Okay, and this information we put in, expected date of arrival, and checkbox and continue. Okay, as you can see here. And we also selected, after selecting the meeting friends relative, like you need to select as per your case, why you need. Application ID is going to be generated, temporary application ID. That's important if you are going to partially fill the application and come back and do later. So that's why it's very important. Okay. Now you need to put your surname, given name, gender, date of birth, town, city of birth, country, citizenship, national ID. So for Canadian, what we did, like we get a citizenship certificate there, we do it. And if you don't have it, just put NA. Religion, visible identification mark, qualification. And if you have got by birth or naturalization, and have you lived in at least 2 years in the country where you're applying, where you are currently now. So we had selected yes. Okay, and on the same page, if you scroll down, they are going to ask you passport details. So this is your foreign passport details, right? Not your Indian passport. Don't worry about that. Because many people don't even have Indian passport, but those who are former citizens, they may have for some time, no doubt. So your passport number, date of issue, expiry. So make sure it matches exactly. Okay. Or if you have any other passport identification card, you need to do. But India does not allow dual citizenship, but some countries allow. So it may happen. All right. Now save and continue. Next is going to ask the address. Okay. And this checkbox may same will appear here. Your father details, your mother details, and if you are married, okay, marital status, it's going to ask for your spouse details too. And they will ask like if your parents, grandparents, Pakistan nationals or belong to Pakistan held area. So in our case, it was no, but if you have yes, provide that information. Occupation, it has asked. Provide the details. Were you in military, semi-military, police, security organization? Based on that, you need to select yes or no. Type of visa, e-visa we had selected. Places. Okay. Have you booked room in hotel, resort, etc. through a tour operator? If you have, click yes. If no, no. Generally, people, those who meet a friend and relative, they do know because they're going to live with the relatives, right? Details of friend relative that you put, duration, expected port. So we put daily, but it's up to you as per your case. Have you visited India before? We selected no, but a lot of people have questions about it, like especially as a former citizen. So for that, I have made a dedicated video with the confirmation got from Indian e-visa support team. Okay. Then yeah, permission to extend refused. No. Countries visited in last 10 years, SAARC countries, reference name in India and here. So that's pretty simple. You can do. Now temporary application ID is still gonna be here. Now these are security questions. You need to read and then answer. And then you can check this box and click on save and continue. Now next is to photograph. So you should have the photograph saved in your laptop or desktop wherever you're applying. Choose file, point it, upload. Specification size minimum 10, maximum 1 Mbps. Pixels are also there. So what happens is, like after this, a screen appears where the photo appears and they ask you to crop it. So you can crop it and it should meet the standards. Okay. It should be very clear. And then after that, it's going to ask you to upload passport, personal particulars. So that also you need to upload. Similarly, size restrictions are all again there. And then you can go and click on confirm. Okay. Now, before you reach here, it will ask you to confirm the details. So it will show the details all. I mean, before this payment page, it will ask you to verify the details. In case of any changes you think you are gonna do, so click on modify and do. Okay. I did not show that screen because of like personal information over there, but you're gonna see that. And it's very important you do verification twice, not just once, 2 times. Then come here. Once you click yes, after reading this, they will give you 3 options: SBI ePay, PayPal, and Access. So I managed to use SBI ePay because PayPal and Access options were failed for me. I have made a dedicated video like what you need to do if your payment is failed. So you can go ahead and watch that. That will help you. And then once your payment is successful, you're going to get an email, and also on the screen it will show you the confirmation and you can generate the form. That form, of course, you need to carry when you go to Indian airport to hand it over to the immigration to get your visa formalities completed. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it, and thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thank you.